Hey everybody, Fish and Dip here. I've come to a decision. When I bought the 2019 Outback, I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to do. Get rid of the old Outback or the PA or keep all three. But I have made a decision. I'm going to let the PA go. So, the rundown on the boat, the 2017, I bought it this year, used it, I don't know, maybe a dozen times. Warranty will transfer. So, whoever buys it, you have an issue, go to Three Bells. They'll take care of you. So, 2017 Camo 12-foot PA Pro Angler. Does come with the 2018 curved drive. So that's kind of a big upgrade. Now, got the most, they say the most comfortable seat in the world. It is comfortable. One rod holder. Ram mount for another one if you choose. Does have the cup holder. Does have the three horizontal rods. Only the 12 has only two tubes in the boat, which you can see right there. Only has the two for the 12s. But it does have the three. So you can put 4 rods horizontal. Does have 2 rod holders in the back. Comes with both sides of the paddle. Also the sand wheels, the big sand wheels. Oh look, even comes with a crab leg. Bonus. That is a Hook 9. I am going to leave this on the boat. It's a great fish finder. It is only down scan. It is not side scan. But it is huge. And it's got plenty to play with. I mean, it's huge. So that would be your regular sonar, I mean, your down scan. And it's pretty cool. You know, I mean, and it even has 32 possible tog spots. So whoever buys it, who's in my area, you're welcome. So, it does have an anchor trolley. Does have a liner. Comes with a bucket. I will also throw in the two tackle box storage thing that I never use. Cover for the fish finder. Upgraded sailing rudder. Or I'm sorry, PA 17 rudder that I have not gotten around to put on. It should make it turn quicker, easier, and all that stuff. I just never got around to putting it on. So, price. I am looking to get $3,000. Now, if you go to any Hobie website or whatnot, or any dealer, and do some pricing, that's a steal. With the upgraded drive, the fish finder. Oh, speaking of fish finder, let me explain what's powering the fish finder. In the hatch, under the seat. That is a 26 amp battery. It's big. It's definitely a big battery. It fits under there nicely. It's out of the way. And with this fish finder, I fished all day. Last time I went out, I fished all day. I did not charge it, and it is showing. Hold on. I hope you can see it. Showing 11 volts. 11.8 volts. Just under 12 volts after a good 7-8 hour day. So, and I have not charged it yet. So, that battery will last probably a couple trips. So for $3,000, that fish finder I bought for my boat 2 years ago, I paid $800 for the fish finder alone. It's not side scan. Right after that, they came out with side scan. Figures. But it is a great fish finder. And yeah. So, also has the Burley Side Pro from an Outback. I stuck here, put the extra pocket there. Works out nice. So, there you go. But $3,000 I think is a I think is a fair price. So I will put a link down below to my email. If you are interested and you want to come check it out, maybe even do a water test, possibly, weather pending, email me. If you're friends with me on Facebook, or you know who I am on Facebook, send me a message. Do it that way too. And if you are a close personal friend and know my phone number, give me a call. I'm good with that. So, there you go. $3,000. Nice PA. Oh, your fishing dreams right there. Here's your chance to own a part of Fish and Dips history. Yeah, I couldn't say it with a straight face either. So, there you go. Let me know. New video will be up Wednesday, as usual. It'll be the continuation of last week's false albacore heartbreak. So tune into that. And if you already haven't, give me a subscribe, give me a like, give me a thumbs up and a like and all that stuff. And yeah, I'll see you out there.